Now in this lesson we're looking at multiplication. Now in algebra we can multiply any terms together. So it is different from addition and subtraction where we could only collect like terms. When multiplying we can multiply any terms together. So some notation. A times B is shortened and written as AB. 3 times A is written as 3A. A times A can be written as A squared. So there's some notation there that's used commonly in algebra. Let's look at some examples. We're asked to simplify the following. Firstly, 8 times 3A. Well, when we're multiplying, what we're going to do is we're going to multiply the numbers first and then the letters. So in this first example, 8 times 3 is 24, and then we have the A term which we write there. So our answer there simply is 24A. Our second example, 8A times 2B. Well, let's do the numbers first. 8 times 2 equals 16, and then the letters A times B we'll write as AB. So our answer there is 16AB. Example 3, 5A times BC. We'll do the numbers first. In fact, there's only one number, which is 5, so we'll write that down. And then the letters A times BC, we can simply write that as ABC. So our answer there is 5ABC. Example 4, negative 5p, and it's multiplying by 3q. We'll do the numbers first. Negative 5 times 3, and that equals negative 15. And then we have p times q, we write as pq. Terrific. Example 5, 7a times 3a. Well, 7 times 3 equals 21. And then we have a times a, which we simplify and write as a squared. So our answer there is 21a squared. Negative 6a times negative 8ab. Let's do our numbers first. Negative 6 times negative 8. Well, two negatives make a positive, and 6 8s are 48. Then, looking at our letters, we have an a times another a, which we can write as a squared, and then we have a b, which we'll write down. So our answer there, 48a squared b. Our final example this lesson, 2ab multiplied by negative 3a times 5bc. Let's do our numbers firstly. 2 times negative 3, well, so far that's negative 6. Then we need to times by 5, and we get negative 30. Now looking at our letters, we notice there's a couple of a's there. A times a can be written as a squared. Then we have another b times b. That can be written as b squared. And finally we do have a c there by itself, so we'll just write that c. So final answer there is minus 30 a squared b squared c. Fantastic. Well, that concludes the lesson. Good luck with your questions.